Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. Do you want to see your battery percentage on AirPods? All you have to do is, if you have the newest iOS, this is 26.5 now, but then go ahead and just open, and then it should pop up right there. So then we have 28% right there, and then the earphones are actually 100%. But you can also swipe to the right, and then you'll go to home, and then you'll see percentage right there as well. Okay? If you don't see the battery percentage, what you have to do now is go ahead and hold this down, go to the top and push edit, and then add widget. And from here, you should be able to find your AirPod. All right, so it's under batteries. Go ahead, push batteries, then push OK, and then now it'll pop up. So then you can always see your AirPods. But then you have to make sure that the AirPod case is open for you to see it. All right, guys. So hope this video helps. Please like or comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.